Hi, hi. So, this is going to be something an eye opener for a lot of people who are going to watch this. Try to stay with me till the end. Till 25, all of a sudden, there is a shift in 26. And how do you feel if God comes and says, leave the job that you're doing and stop doing what you're doing? It's a difficult decision to take, but people who trust the Lord know that God has good plans for us. So the first thing was I was in counseling field. I did therapy. I became a therapist. I can earn really well and I can really, help out to people. So there were three things that were missing in me. So that is the video about. And the three things which I was missing, God shifted me to another place. So the first thing was as I was building, there's a lot of questions around me. Like there was emptiness and there was like accepting everything and normalizing everything. And there was like something, a hindrance to my values. So you have certain values. This is me and I have values. And you go to a place where you keep aside your values and accept people as you are. It's a good thing, maybe this world says. But Bible states that these are the things I destroyed. These are the people I destroyed. So these doesn't, come under Bible thing. And God doesn't allow this, and people can't do this. But worldly counseling says you can accept them, you can welcome them. So there's a lot of contradiction in my mind, heart, and I was going through a lot. And even I started an Instagram page where I thought I can become famous and everything, which was totally a flop. So whenever I sat and took the camera and I sat, I was not confident. I was not able to talk. And I tried to post it, I tried editing, I tried everything possible to reach people. It didn't reach. There was no communication building in that page. And I tried to build my own private place, which people didn't come. And a lot of things I was trying. So I was asking God, God, I have something good values in me where I can teach people, but people are not coming to me. So there was a block. So, but still, I trusted God. And one day, 2025, I was like, okay, this is not going ahead, but this is what my heart says its future is. And 2026, something, miraculous happened. As I was sitting in my sofa and I was thinking, okay, what shall I do? And I stopped working where I was working 3 years, and God took me out of that place. No job, and people are not coming to me. My Instagram page is not growing, and a lot of things are going. Whatever I planned was a total flop. So now God enters inside my heart and says, "Start a page." What page and what it is going to do, I don't. So this page was all about Christian, everyday Bible. That's how I started and started posting Bible verses. So okay, let me start. So then I'm going back again the next day to shoot for my therapy page where I can talk about lot of bipolar and lot of stuff, depression, everything. After that, whatever I prepared, I finished. God gave me an intuition that I should talk about Bible, whatever parables or whatever I felt like. I took two videos and I started to post in my new page. And slowly I got an, a happy feeling that why can't I read my Bible and know what is good things and I can add counseling into it and, teach the truth. And that's how I started, and it's been like 1.5 months. Trust me, this is like God from the day when I started to do His work with the counseling. He's doing miraculous work. People are so good to me. People are texting me. People are asking me doubts, which I was asking this in the worldly therapy world where I can help people, which was a block. Now God has opened a new page for me. So I'm going to tell you a lot of things regarding this, lot of examples. Why secular counseling is good or bad, that is not the point. Why God shifted me here and what is spiritual counseling and why we need to follow truth and why we need to read our Bible and a lot of things we're going to learn in this page. We can have, a lot of hosts will be coming here. So stay with us in this page, subscribe this page and try to know a lot of truth.